The Philippine government is stepping up its response to a Chinese floating platform spotted at Scarborough Shoal as officials continue to monitor activities in the area. Authorities maintain that any unauthorized structure within Bajo de Masinloc violates Philippine sovereignty and international law. The full report from Patrick De Jesus.
This is a clearer image of the semi-permanent structure spotted in Scarborough Shoal or Bajo de Masinloc. The National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea presented this after several weeks of monitoring. On May 21, two Chinese research vessels were monitored at the southeast entrance of Bajo de Masinloc. Following this, the floating platform was observed on May 25 through satellite imagery and was confirmed during a maritime domain awareness flight conducted by the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources the following day. Since May 28, the Philippine Coast Guard and the Armed Forces of the Philippines have been conducting daily aerial monitoring of the platform's presence in Bajo de Masinloc. But Chinese helicopters and fighter jets have repeatedly harassed these operations. The Philippines continues to conduct patrols in the area. Within the lagoon is regularly being moved with the help of two service boats. An antenna was also spotted nearby, while the number of buoys inside and outside the reef has increased to 4. The Philippines has already filed several diplomatic protests against China to assert that the placement of the floating platform is illegal.
Only the Philippines has the right to place or construct structures and conduct activities in Bajo de Masinloc. The continued presence of the semi-permanent floating platform without consent or authorization is not only a violation of the sovereignty and jurisdiction of the Philippines, but is also inconsistent with international law. We therefore urge China to withdraw and remove the platform and structures from Bajo de Masinloc.
From a simple fisherman's shelter in the 1990s, Mischief Reef or Panganiban Reef, occupied by China, has become one of the largest military bases in the West Philippine Sea. According to the NTF-WPS, it remains speculative whether reclamation activities are already taking place in Scarborough Shoal, which China has declared as a nature reserve. For now, authorities said the floating platform's presence could merely be part of illegal marine scientific research, with the two Chinese research vessels still in the area, but no dredging vessel has been spotted.
The mere fact that what we are seeing there are all Chinese research vessels and there are no presence of PLA Navy vessels there, I would like to put it that way. I think this is still a civilian, illegal MSR that is being conducted.
In a statement, the Chinese embassy maintained that their activities in Scarborough Shoal are part of China's sovereignty and reiterated that they do not recognize the 2016 arbitral award favoring the Philippines. The NTF-WPS insisted that all legal measures will be pursued against the floating platform.
The nightmare of Mischief Reef is still there. Okay, that's why the position of our government, basically, nandun yung ating president, we will not lose even an inch. Basically, it's a lessons learned. That's why we are saying that the Philippines will do everything it can based on international law, based on diplomacy, and based on our national interest.
The integrity of the national territory will remain. That will include monitoring right now developments on Bajo de Masinloc, and we are closely monitoring that through an interagency effort.
The government will continue verifying the purpose of the floating platform found in Scarborough Shoal, prompting regular patrols by Philippine assets in the area, as well as in other parts of the West Philippine Sea. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.